Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to place a minimum length between the curves in Civil 3D alignment. One of the most common changes is adding a curve where there was none before or changing the makeup of curves and tangent already in place on an alignment. Other design changes can include swapping out curves for tangents or adding a second curve to smooth a transition area. As it turns out, your perfect reverse curve is not allowed by the current ordinance for subdivision. So in this example, we will remove curve 2 and then we will place a minimum length tangent between the curves. Just open 608 alignment component drawing from the description link. If you did not get it, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you this drawing. Once you will open, you will see a same drawing which we already have in the previous exercises, and we was create tangent curves, compound curves, and then tangent. If you want to learn that how can we create, then you can watch previous video. Now select the alignment named reverse compound to activate the contextual tab here. From the alignment contextual tab, modify panel, choose geometry editor. Here the alignment layout toolbar appears. Select delete subentity tool here. If you did not get, just place your cursor on any icon in the toolbar and it will show with little tool tip with the name of entity. You can see here delete subentity. So just select and read here, select subentity to remove. So when prompt like this, just pick the curve 2. You will see here curve 2 and just select it to remove it and then press enter to end the command. Note that even if the last two curves and tangents are still part of, you can see they are still part of alignment, they lost connection to the first part of the alignment for now. So select floating line here with spiral from curve and length, and you will see here select entity to attach. Click the south end of curve 3 here, okay, and then specify the length of the tangent which is 30.48 and press enter. Okay, so now select the free curve fillet from here between two entities through point options. You can select and then select the first curve segment here. You can select alignment, you can select here and then select next entity. For the next entity you can select, just shift and endpoint or snap on to select the free end of the tangent line you just drawn. First we will select this entity, and then for the through point we will select end point and then select this end point here, and press, sorry, we need to do it again, floating line with spiral from curve and length. Okay, select this, and for the length 30.48. Okay, we have line of 30.48. Just press enter, and then from the free curve fillet between two entities through point, just select, and then we select this curve number 1, and select next entity of this line, and for the through point just selecting end or snap, you can select the end of this line and just press enter. Notice how the stationing is now shown the full length of complete alignment. Just close the alignment layout toolbar. Your reverse curve with tangent section is completed. So far in this chapter we have created the modify the horizontal alignment, adjusted them on screen according to the planner's initial layouts, and tweak the design using a number of different methods. If you did not learn about them, you can watch previous videos of chapter number 6. Then now let's look beyond the lines and or can get into the design properties of the alignment. So stay tuned with us for the next exercise of alignments.